it back down. Good. Balance, buddy. Ready, go. Same even faster. There you go. Back down. Good. Balance, Juliana. Now we're actually going to try the kick. So comparison. Everybody side like this, guys. Okay. It's the same first kick that I learned, the same first kick Trigger, the same first kick you learned. What was that first kick we showed you first day? Let's have this. Shh.
Front kick.
Front kick, yes. We're going to go to the top of the foot. That means the foot's facing down. Okay? So everybody bring your knee up. Then the foot comes out and point your foot forward. Use that back leg. What's your name?
Side.
Side. All right.